Alright guys, today we are going to learn how to properly wire a Marquis Spa Vector Series. In this case we have a lovely V84, okay, from the Vector Series from Marquis. We've already tapped our hole right here to run our flex conduit through. This one's a little more stiff, not what I prefer. This is a metal flex conduit. That means on the inside of this wiring, it has a metal lining. It doesn't give you as much maneuverability, but it is super tough, super durable, super insulated, okay? We have our electrical board right here, okay? We have two pumps and an electrical board, okay? I've already taken these two top screws out. These are the only screws holding this front face cover on, okay? So we can take this off. Those you typically have a yellow sticker right here to cover up all of your electrical ports, okay? We can go ahead and peel that sticker right off, revealing all of our ports, okay? I myself like to stick this sticker on the front face cover just to give it that caution sign so they know there's electrical components inside of here, okay? Entrance point for our flex conduit. Once again, on the left side of the box, okay, this big circle right here will come in through here. You can see it requires a 4-wire system. It gives us 4 ports. We won't be using all these ports. They're all labeled, okay? This one's kind of hidden by that piece of sticker remaining, but neutral at the top. We got a hot on the bottom, a hot right there, and that second port down should be left blank, okay? For the ground, grounding has a ground bar on the outside, okay? When you look on the inside, there's a little green arrow back there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's right here on this back little wall right there, okay? So that lets us know there's a little circle on the outside that comes to one of these little ports right here on the ground bar right there. So we feed it through here. We have 1 hot, 2 hot, neutral, and ground, okay? We've already checked our wires. We haven't cut them or anything, but we have all 4 wires here. We got the green, okay, which is normally a green or bare wire like these, okay, signifying ground, okay. You can have 2 blacks, 2 reds, a black and a red. As long as you have 2 hots, it doesn't really matter which one plugs into which hot port on the spa itself, okay. But you need to ensure that you do have a neutral ready to go as well, because it does have to go in the neutral slot right there. All right, this one requires a either small flathead or a Phillips head. I already have a Phillips head ready to go. Remember, don't use a drill when doing this, okay? Only hand crank it. You don't want to put too much torque. You can mess up these little screw ports right here, okay, doing that. So what I do is I just take my bit off, and I have an actual screwdriver that accepts bits on it, okay? And this is what I will use to actually tighten down my wiring, all right? You'll also need 1 flathead no matter what. This is one right here will be for the grounding bar, okay? Oh, it looks like we're missing an Allen screw right there for that ground. So what I'll do is I'll simply pull the one from beneath it, because nothing's going to it, and I'll put it in its place. So when I feed it through here, I can put it in its correct port. Just make sure everything's ready to go properly, okay? Remember to have a licensed, experienced professional hooking up your spas or running your electrical, okay? You don't want to void any kind of warranties or damage your spa motherboard, because these things are extremely expensive to replace, and you can fry them if they are not wired properly.